Today's adventure is super duper unplanned. Here I am at the bus stop. It was raining almost all of morning. I thought it wouldn't stop, but it did. So I decided mid-afternoon to go out and explore. I initially wanted to go to Dockyard, and then when I was in the bus, I said, "Oh, why not go to a nature reserve, which is close to Dockyard?" But along Horseshoe Bay, I decided, you know what? This is close to Gibb's Lighthouse. Let me go there first. But where I am now is not yet Gibb's Lighthouse. The bus stop close to Gibb's Lighthouse has this view. So I decided to go check it out first. This is a private resort, Hamilton Princess, I believe. And if it's not, then I'll just correct myself later. As you can see, they have their own private beach. I actually prefer this than staying at the Hamilton Princess in Bermuda because you don't have to go anywhere else if you're staying here. You have the beach to yourself. You can go boating, there are tennis courts over there, and actually another beach, but I'm not sure if it's still Hamilton Princess or another resort. Probably another resort. And this, I think, is the best part. There's a park or field or whatever that is called with an unobstructed view of the Atlantic Ocean. One day, this is making me emotional, when my parents come to visit, I will bring them here. Goodbye for now. Okay, let's now go to Gibb's Lighthouse. This is the bus stop, and over there at the back is Gibb's Lighthouse. So the name of the hotel is the Princess Beach Club. I'm not sure if it is associated with the Hamilton Princess. Based on their bus, they are associated. Let's take this road, the Lighthouse Road. So very literal. Look at all these pozos. I have mentioned in several of my earlier vlogs that pozos is just like grass here. But look at how beautiful this plant is. The view of the lighthouse is now very clear. I must be close. According to Google Maps, it's just 8 minutes away from the bus stop, but trust that I will take at least twice as long as that. Before going to the lighthouse, you will pass by the Serenity Gardens, and there's someone working on the gardens right now. And just after the gardens is the road leading towards Gibbs Hill Lighthouse, which is actually along St. Anne's Road. It's easy to find this place with or without Google Maps because the lighthouse is visible from the main road and along the lighthouse road. So easy to follow, easy to get here. Finally, here we are. I thought that the first road, small road that I saw, is the one leading to the lighthouse. Well, no, it's leading to this private property. So I still have some walk to do. I can finally see the sign. And here is the stairway to Gibb's Hill Lighthouse Park. Wait, before I go up there, I want to check out this view of another side of Bermuda. There's actually a view deck here. Oh, this is the Queen's view. On this spot, Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth paused for a while to admire the view on Wednesday, the 24th of November, 1953. And this, guys, is the view that the Queen saw. Terrible that I am in directions. I don't know what part of Bermuda this is. One thing is sure, I won't be able to go there because these are private properties. See these yachts? Rich people's toys. And I say that without any hint of bitterness. That's life. Surprise, surprise. Just below the Queen's view, I see a sign for the railway trail, which leads here. So, should I? Of course I will. What kind of question is that? Let's go see what's there. While I wasn't too happy with the rain earlier, look at what it left here. The place looks fresh. But should I be worried that it will be slippery because it rained almost all of morning? I'll just be careful. Here's the bigger road, and here's a smaller one. I'm a super clumsy person and I don't trust myself in this kind of situation wherein it rained earlier and it might be slippery. So I'll just end my walk on this railway trail here, and maybe someday I will come back to continue on. I'm super tired already. I'm glad I did not continue with walking on the railway trail. Oh no, the stairway. Look at this beauty. I'm almost here. And we are now on the ground. And I thought earlier that the view from the Queen's view was nice. It's actually nicer here. Except that there is this pole with the wires. There's the gift shop and souvenirs and where you can buy your tickets. There are restrooms there. I'll use one later. This weather vane was installed at the top of the lighthouse in 1846. It was replaced in 1988 by a radar scanner, part of an early warning system to prevent ships running aground on Bermuda's reefs. Here is the entrance to Gibb's Hill Lighthouse. My dilemma now is, should I go up there or not? Because I'm tired. If it entails a lot of walking, I may not do that. At least not today. It says here, Lighthouse Tower admission $2.50. Tickets are available at the gift shop. There's the Bermuda flag. The lady at the gift shop answered the question for me. They close every day at 4 o'clock and it's already 3:40 and it takes 185 steps to go up there. She said that she normally takes like 15 minutes, 20-minute stops to go up and down. But she said that there is like an area there where you can go around and that might take longer if I want to enjoy my time. So she said, you might as well come back another time, and she was very nice about it. So I guess this is it for today. I have come up here at the hill. I have seen the lighthouse. But what I failed to do was go up the lighthouse, and that will wait for another time. I like this map that they have of Bermuda. It shows where we are right now, which is here. So when you go to Horseshoe Bay, you can make Gibb's Lighthouse your next stop. There's actually a parking lot here, and this is where you can park your car if you come here by car. And just when I thought that I found earlier the spot for best viewing, this is actually it. I don't think I've tried using this. I would remember if I have. But you see, with my eyeglasses, I don't think that would be effective. But I can still try. I don't have quarters right now. So I guess this will have to wait. Same with going up the tower. I'm so tempted to take the stairway down. But I won't because I want to take a restroom break and it's over there. I decided to stay a bit longer, enjoy the breeze and the view, and drink some cold fruit juice. There's a couple, I don't know if they're a couple or strangers who just met at the top of the lighthouse. This might make a good love story, right? You can hear them. Oh, they've stopped. I'm such a marites. It's 4 o'clock, guys. I think she's telling the two at the top that it's game over. This is it for today's adventure at Gibb's Lighthouse. Thank you for watching.